Today, me and Matt went to Slattery's to look at some wedding cakes. We wouldn't have chosen anywhere else to search for our perfect cake. Even though we won't be getting married for a while, we thought it would be good to get some ideas. There was so much to explore, and the staff gave us so much information about everything on offer. We definitely have a lot to think about, but we're so glad we started our search early. We can't wait to share more with you guys, but for now, here are some of Slattery's finest bakes.